Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video we're going to check out the Amazon Alexa Echo speaker. This latest generation, 4th generation Echo speaker gets a new design and a lot of features that is going to support your smart home ecosystem nowadays. So let's get started with the unboxing of the Echo speaker from Amazon. This, as you can see, is the box for the Echo speaker, and as you can see over here in the front, the speaker has a new design. Amazon has changed the way it looks, and it is a lot more appealing in terms of the way it looks on your desk, and it's circular in shape, as you can see, and a lot more features have been added, and the audio quality has improved and the sound quality has improved. But first, let's look at what all features that Amazon is talking about this one. So Amazon says that this is a smart speaker with support for Alexa. So as you know, Alexa is the voice assistant support by Amazon, and it lets you do a lot of things. You can book cabs, you can even order food, and you can do so many other things, check out weather, check out the traffic in your area as well. So that's pretty much the ecosystem around which Alexa functions, and Amazon is pretty much offering you all those things through this smart speaker. Smart speakers are a very convenient way to use these kind of things, and they are also very ideal. Let's say if you want to listen to music and you don't want to use it through your phone, what you can just do is you can ask Alexa via voice command to play some of the music through different kind of apps that's supported through the ecosystem by Alexa. So now let's open this box and see what all we have inside the box. As you can see, this is the box that we have neatly wrapped inside this case. This is the new Echo speaker. This is the smart speaker that comes with the Alexa supported, as we just mentioned, and it's got these physical controls over here on the top, so you can increase the volume or decrease the volume. So these controls are primarily there as an emergency case, and let's say if you don't have the phone nearby in your hand or close to you, what you can just do is you can just head over to the speaker and you can just mute them, or just whatever features that you want to apply, you can do that through these speakers. And even as we just mentioned, there's volume control and there's a mute button as well. So smart speakers are something that they kind of people are kind of concerned about the privacy issues, which is why Amazon, what they've done is they've given you a mute off button. So the moment you press this button, the microphone will turn off and it won't be listening to all the conversation happening around in the area. So in addition to the speaker, then you have this adapter also neatly wrapped inside this case. So Amazon, what it's trying to do is it's trying to minimize the amount of packaging that you get along with the products, and it's good to see that with the Echo speaker that's been there, and these are what you get. So this is the adapter that goes, and as you might know, smart speakers only work through powered source. So you need to connect this speaker, this port towards the speakers into this, and the other one to a power source to make sure that there's power running all the time. And in terms of the features that we've already talked about, you've got so many other options that you can try, and Alexa works through the smartphone app that's on your phone, and you can link and you can sign in through your Amazon ID, and you can use a lot of features. You can download all these actions and apps that are available, the services that function through Alexa ecosystem, and this way what you can do is you can ensure that the smart speaker becomes an effective tool in your house. So there you have it. This is what Amazon is offering with its new Echo speaker, a new design, improved sound quality, and inside the box what you get are the basic stuff like user manual guide. Now if you're new to the smart speaker ecosystem, you want to know how the smart speaker works, how the sign-in works, and what kind of voice assistant works, what kind of features the voice assistant supports. So all those things are there, and then you have this power adapter, since the smart speaker works through a power source, so you need to use them all the time, and that's about it in the box. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.